Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 79. Google SiteKit Wordpress Plugin Settings. In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at Google SiteKit WordPress plugin settings, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to SiteKit and select Settings from here. So this is SiteKit Settings page. Here we have Connected Services, then Connect More Services and Admin Settings. Now go to Connected Services. Here we have Search Console, which is already connected. Then go to Connect More Services. Here we have AdSense, Analytics, PageSpeed Insights, and Tag Manager. Then go to Admin Settings. Here it says, it is connected. You can tick this checkbox to share usage data anonymously. Also we have Reset SiteKit link to reset it. So this is all about Google SiteKit WordPress plugin settings. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 80. Google Search Console on your WordPress. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at Google Search Console on your WordPress, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.